Atrium's onboarding previously was like this little modal window that you had to fight through several steps, set up your tools, your project, before you ever saw Atrium to begin with. That has been completely redone. Now you drop in directly to Atrium, go through a couple of calibration steps right in the app, set up a project. Let's do this real quick. Create a project, set up your tools. This will open you right up into newly designed tools menu. Just hit install. Let's do Grok also. Why not? All of them ready. Closed. And then hello agent. So I'm just going to open up pane, launch Claude Code. Hello. And I'm done. Calibrated. Workspace is mine. I'll dismiss that banner. Close this guy. I don't need him. And now Atrium has 62 achievements you can earn that all teach you how to use the app. I had some requests that, like, there was stuff in Atrium that there were a lot of buttons, a lot of menus, didn't know how to do things, didn't tell you how to do things, rather than spotlights, which I despise, or tutorials. Figured I'd dump it all into an achievements list, let you earn some points, 12,500 points in total. Bunch of cool stuff in here. Open a file in the code editor, tells you step by step how to do each thing. Message a running agent from the activity sidebar, build a wing, open a worktree, explains it all to you, talks you through it, and you can even drop it into your sidebar as a docked resident, so you can keep track of what you've completed, what you got to complete. A window to the web. Let's do one real quick. Here we go. Boom. Window to the web. Capability calibrated. Boom. Earn some points. There we go. Onboarding's everything, right? Hopefully this makes it better. Thanks.